everybody. I am going to pour over this as a sample pour. In the last video I had said how I had gotten these cool frames in 16 by 20 size, and I wanted to do like a hairdryer pour with kind of neutral colors and a splash of a color. So I'm going to try it out on here to see in what order I should do it, like how I should go about doing it. And this is a pour that I don't really care for. Gosh, I just did it like a week or so ago. I can't think which one this was, but it was one that I had a heck of a lot of trouble with, I think. But now it's going away, so ta-da! Oh, and at Michael's today I did buy more of this flow acrylic white, which still needs to be mixed with Floetrol and water, but it's so easy to mix. And I actually get quite a bit of paint out of it. Like, it lasts me quite a while. I think it's 32 ounces. I can't find, I see something in here. But it lasts me quite a while. And it's $10. So, gosh, I bought a bunch of regular price things today. So I don't know, because I used my 40% off, but I don't know if that was the most expensive, if it went off that. But if you can buy it with the coupon, that's definitely the way to go, the 40% off. Otherwise, yeah, I probably spent $10 on it. Which the house paint is about $30, I think, for a gallon. So, alrighty. Realize this is the color I'm using. White. And this is just black. I cannot remember if it's ivory black or Mars black. There we go. It is one of those two. And I've got Payne's Gray. And now that I'm pouring this, this is what I had wanted to buy at Michael's today. I remember I went through the paint aisle, I bought 3 paintbrushes, but no paint. Oh well. Fell out of the wall. Payne's Gray looks so blue. Looks like a puffer fish. There's the eyes, the mouth, and the puffer. Alright, where, oh, I did want to add, let's see how this goes. You can see the difference because I just obliterated all those cells now. So maybe I need to use the hairdryer on the gold and stuff on the real pour. Yeah, the hairdryer and the airbrush definitely do give different looks. I think I'm gonna finish this with the hairdryer. Paint's thicker than usual, but that worked out kind of nice because with the hairdryer it didn't all just go whoosh and fly off. It stayed more controlled. So I want to hear your thoughts. What do you like, the airbrush or the hairdryer more? I feel this part needs. Oops, I just lost the airbrush on the floor. This part should straighten out or flatten out on its own as it dries. Touch up these sides. Well, regardless of anything, this looks a heck of a lot better than the original painting that I poured over. This is a lot better than that. I think most of you will agree. But I do like the hint of the metallic. So that's a good move. So I know that much. And I think I'd use less Payne's Gray next time, because it's more blue than I would like. Oh, there's quite a bit of paint right here. Oh. Just melted that. Oops. I think because there's so many layers. There's so many layers of paint on here. Which is why this was a practice canvas. That looks pretty good for a practice canvas. I love that area. Okay, now I see a face. And the little teeth and the eyes. And he looks like a mean ogre, but he's actually just misunderstood and wants to be loved. So thank you so much for watching. And as usual, I will catch you later. Bye, my friends.